Alright guys, we're back on the yellow mellow Bumblebee 4-to-1 header. NA. Look at the clearances, really tight. Mastermind jit with all the pie cut. Everything came up super crisp. Look at that, look at that. Boom. There's gonna be V-band there, either down or over, but this looks really good. What do you guys think? What you guys think? Look at that attention to detail. Look at this. It's not even gonna hit nothing because you can tell even the oil pan is below everything, and in the back, by the time the wheel goes in it, that's a lot of clearance. So you can get a custom exhaust if you're going all-wheel drive. See it? Pretty nice. It's coming together. Going to show you guys the outcome here in a minute, and of course you guys know our new billet diff mount right there. It's gonna have the S1 on this that you're screwing right here, and the plate that's right here, you guys can also get whatever you want on it. We can etch in whatever you want. That's why we did it like that. And now we have a billet diff mount. You guys seen that in the video. So yeah, perfect fit. Now the whole back, billet. It's all billet out. All S1 bill. Nice car. Very nice. It's coming, guys. Took the exhaust down, and the turn down just got finished. There we go, guys. This is the up close and personal. Check it out. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? All by the man himself. So we're gonna go ahead and put it back up right now.
Turn up on.
Check out that turn down. Check out this turn down right here. Turn down for what? Came out
Yeah,
nice.
we gotta turn down for what? And then guess what? Once we gotta finish the exhaust, we gonna turn up for what? And then just go the rest of the way back. Boom. Problem solved.
Right? Nice.
Perfect.
Hopefully we can be able to drive this pretty soon. Show you guys. It's definitely going to go to Cali, Raceworz, so look out for it. I know over here we have Mike on the Mini Cooper. Almost done, getting ready to put the AC compressor on.
No.
He said no.
Put AC compressor on my too hot. We need AC compressor in the shop right now.
Right? On a switch.
So what we're doing right now is we are installing the tensioner pulley. So because of the routing of it, and because this was already cut off and doesn't clear the manifold, we are going to be using a tensioner pulley that will adjust out this way, so they're able to get the belt and everything right, and then we can figure out the length that we need for the AC compressor and everything all in one.
All right, guys, that's a quick update on the Mini Cooper Kswap and our yellow Bumblebee over there. All-wheel drive NA that's going to California Raceworz, so look out for that. And everything's coming together, guys. Just another busy day here. You know, we got Chris over here dropping that thick fluid in the VC. We got homeboy just hammering the ground. Back to the office, boy. Stop hammering the ground, B.
Hey, we're gonna see you guys at Raceworz. Woo woo!
We're gonna see you guys at Raceworz without him.
We'll be there shortly.
Michael!
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind is we'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind is
them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind is
them wheels are always
we'll have you
gripping.
gripping, don't get caught slipping. You get behind the wheel, real. Build it, your Honda's built. It's military grade, but this is not a drill. It's American made, but we all will drive the world. I see them changing the game. S1 always will. Got them cars killing speeds and just sound like artillery. It's all will indeed, almost like a war machine, like it's meant for the infantry, Air Force, Navy, Army, and Marines. Now they clock triple digit speeds, and they got them on the bases. Must be all the innovation. Watch them racing information. Got the gauges twitching crazy, switching up the pace, shifting in a Civic or an S2K. This is not your daily S1, all wheels gripping pavement. S1, S1, you gon' want a test run. All wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, S1, you gon' want a test run. All wheel drive in the lane in the left one.
S1, all wheel drive, got them Honda skillin' times. S1, all wheel drive, got them Honda skillin' times.
We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping.
S1, all wheel drive, got them Honda skillin'
Them
times.
wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1, all wheel drive, got them Honda skillin' times.
Them wheels are always
We'll have you
gripping.
gripping, don't get caught slipping. We ain't even on the straights yet, warming up that A6. In Florida got the street cred, we rolling down the street quick. Got that MSD switch, B-Series or a ZC, and that LSV tech, hella clean, yeah. Tell them where to meet at, yeah, we go to Mexico. Racing for the pink slips, and ain't no 12 to catch us, so Kswap the world till we spin the globe. K20, MR2, and SXCRX with the K24. Reppin' that EF, go back to the days of the HF, DX, the EX, before them green underglows. If you ain't see it, you must be running slow. Say you in something we can't afford, but we got that camcorder that's
S1, all wheel drive, got them Honda skillin' times. S1, all wheel drive, got them Honda skillin' times.
we'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping.
S1, all wheel drive, got them Honda skillin'
Them
times.
wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1, all wheel drive, got them